On July 27th, Volkswagen China, a subsidiary to Germany's Volkswagen, opened a prototype of electric vertical takeoff landing (eVTOL), which is called VMO, the world's first of its kind. Its maximum speed will be 200 kilometers per hour, and it can fly for up to 60 minutes if fully charged while being remotely controlled and left unattended by a passenger. Flying cars, which have only been seen in movies, are rapidly becoming a reality. Let's find out more about flying cars, more precisely three-dimensional flying machines. Barriers of flying cars. In science fiction films to date, flying cars have been seen quite frequently. Flying cars in movies have four wheels and can spread their wings to fly high as needed. Less noise and more freedom of movement, which allow a flying car to fly through city buildings, are the factors that will make them a viable option for urban traffic. Without a long runway, it can also fly or land immediately. All of these, though, are from motion pictures. There are still many technological and legal challenges to the realistic flying car. Is it a light plane or a drone? Flying cars are divided into helicopter-like drones and light planes depending on the capacity to go upward and downward, vertically. As for the former, like a helicopter, as the rotation of a rotor gives power to the flying car propeller and pushes air downwards, the reaction generates lift, the power to make a plane afloat. This is also called electric vertical takeoff landing, VTOL. This does not need a runway, and autonomous flying is possible through remote control without a pilot after takeoff. Contrarily, the latter has a shortcoming to run like an airplane on a runway to get lift. However, it has an advantage to run with four wheels upon landing like a general car through a steering wheel. Flying cars cannot use heavy internal combustion engines like general cars and airplanes. Just like electric cars and hydrogen cars, which are called future environment-friendly automobiles, they must use fuel cells, batteries. Therefore, small and light hydrogen fuel cells will be used. A hydrogen fuel cell separates hydrogen gas into hydrogen ions and electrons through oxidation. Again, reduction reaction combines electrons, hydrogen ions, and oxygen to generate water. In the process, current flows occur, meaning that it is a battery type. However, there are not many hydrogen chargers to fill hydrogen fuel cells. Therefore, the flying car developers are researching to solve related problems, and in the future, such problems will be solved.